Hi, welcome to this final video showcasing the pre-alpha build of Divinii. In this video, we will look at all the functions within the business app and how business owners conduct their businesses with our service. Let us first take a look at the My Account page, which consists of 6 different tabs. On the top left is the Payment Option page, where you can view your payment history or change your payment method. The tab located on the top center directs us to the restaurant menu page, where you can upload pictures of the items on your menu. Once you are done, click Finish to save, or you can just click back to discard any changes. On the top right is the Business Information page that allows you to add information about your business, such as your address, phone number, and business operating hours. It wouldn't be fair for businesses if a customer simply sits in, connects to the app, and claims free food without ordering anything. To discourage such practice, business owners may set a minimum purchase that a customer must make before connecting to the restaurant's app to claim the free item. To the bottom left is the Plan Detail page, where you can change or end your membership plan. The tab, located on the bottom center, directs us to the Divinii menu page, where you have the opportunity to get creative and craft your own Divinii menu. Here, you are able to adjust the number of columns, which represents the vertical plane, or what we call tiers in the menu. You are also able to modify the number of rows, which represents the horizontal plane, or what is referred to as the number of items in each column. Once you are satisfied with the layout, click Generate Grid. In this page, feel free to edit the party size, meal duration, and upload pictures of items for your Divinii menu. Once you are finished, click Create Menu and Finish to upload the menu to your business page. On the bottom right is the Performance Chart page that keeps track of your monthly performances by the amount of items claimed each month. Finally, let's head back to the home page of our business app. We're at home stretch. There's just one last thing before we conclude this tutorial. Now that we've learned how to set up and navigate around a business account, how does Divinii really work in action? Clicking into this Services page will show you a list of people who are currently dining at your restaurant, waiting to be connected to your server app, or have already claimed a Divinii item. The number next to the profile picture represents the party size. You can either accept a party, or, as you can see here, this person looks pretty sad and is dining alone. you can decline them. I'm just kidding. That person didn't meet the minimum purchase requirement, and therefore, his request was denied. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this very long tutorial. Our goal at Divinii is to help your restaurant business grow through a more cost-efficient alternative than traditional marketing, which can be much more expensive and yield very little return on investment. Our app will be available on iOS and Android. If you liked this video, please give it a like, share it, and give us feedback in the comments below. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.